Isa sa ilalim ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa Red Alert ang buong puwersa nito sa pagdiriwang ng anibersaryo ng New People's Army sa Linggo, Marso 29. Magtatagal ang Red Alert ng militar sa buong bansa simula alas 12 ng tanghali bukas, Marso 28 hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali sa Lunes, Marso 30. Ayon kay Lieutenant Colonel Harold Cabunok, ginawa nila ito upang mapanatiling ligtas ang publiko laban sa posibleng pag-atake ng grupo.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines is ready to perform its mandated task to protect the people against any armed threats, including the New People's Army bandits who are normally launching attacks against government installations and people during their founding anniversary. The AFP will declare red alert status starting at 12 noon tomorrow, March 28, up to 12 noon on March 30. Troops would not be allowed to leave their duty stations during the duration of the red alert status.